am back, and we're here to do the second magnet. I have already done the first one. Here it is. So this is the second magnet, and I do have an idea of what I want to do, so I'm gonna try and mark the middle, and we're gonna come in right here That's not the shape I was going for. Okay, so I might have to make it bigger just to get the shape I want. Because it's more this and then curvy. So it's like this, and then it kind of curves. There we go. And then let me just do one side first. And it curves in. Don't worry, it's not going to stay this color. This is background. And then that. And this is not a very good brush. It keeps twirling on me. So and the places that I'm really worried about are the edges, which are not doing well. Let me try a different brush. Because we've got a... And then over here. Okay. And then... kind of do this, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, but this third one is kind of joined in, and then we've got a circle. And I know that looks like a big mess. Yes, it does. And I know that this probably doesn't make much sense now, but it will later, hopefully. They're not exactly the same size, but that's okay. Let's just extend this one out a little bit. I think that's too white. So I'm going to go in and kind of blue it up a little bit. With this lighter blue. I kind of messed it up a little bit. Like right in here, I think. But that's okay. That's salvageable because I'm going to go over the top of it. And since y'all don't know what I'm doing, this is probably very confusing. So, I get it. This is very confusing. I'm just throwing down some white real quick. Okay, I am letting that dry. I realize that this looks like a mess, but I can't keep painting on it because if I do, it will not take the color I want. It will turn green. And since I want to paint this vase yellow, I can't do it if it's wet. So, there you go. And if you're wondering what I'm painting, I'll show you what I'm painting. This is supposed to look like this vase, which has glass on the side and glass on the bottom. So it's supposed to look like this art glass vase. So, but I had to put the glass in first, which would show the background color, right? So it would be dark and light and yeah, the outline, and then go in later with the yellow glass. So hopefully that's not too confusing. Maybe it is. I don't know. But that's what I'm doing. So I'll be back.